So I've been using my OnePlus 6 as my daily driver for about a week now, and believe it or not, so far, I'm really enjoying my experience. This year they went with a glass back, and just like Huawei did with the Mate 10 Pro, there's no support for wireless charging, leaving the glass back there simply for sex appeal. Well, while I'm still not happy about that move, even though personally I could care less about wireless charging, the frosted matte black on the black model looks and feels amazing. And it's as thin as Paris Hilton on a bad day, but I found myself instantly taking advantage of the case that came in the box with it. I've just had way too many phones with badly scratched glass backs. I like the placement of the fingerprint reader on the back, but because it's super flush to the body, I've been finding it a bit of a challenge to find when compared to other phones that have a slightly deeper set fingerprint reader. But yo, it's fast and really accurate. I'm really digging that they kept the headphones port, but that speaker to the left of it is, I mean, I've heard a lot worse, but this is one of those corners OnePlus cut to keep costs down, and sadly, it's painfully obvious. That 6.2-inch AMOLED display is awesome. Colors are nice and punchy, but not overdone, and it gets plenty bright. Not as bright as the Galaxy S9, but really close. And even though we're looking at a 1080p resolution, it's still pretty sharp, but after getting used to 2K displays for so long, I'm now finally beginning to notice a real difference in sharpness. And that notch, man, it's so small compared to other notches. It's never been an issue for me at all, and it shouldn't be a deal breaker for anyone. And if it is, someone should break your deal. Damn it. The software experience has been fantastic. I love all the options they give. Not too many, like with the phone book size list of options on Samsung phones, but not too little, like on Pixel phones. Love dark mode, and I've really been enjoying gestures. So performance has been ridiculous. I got the 8GB of RAM model. I wanted the 6GB model because I think that's the one most people will be buying, but it was sold out while I was ordering. Anyways, 8GB of RAM in an Android device is totally pointless, but it does future-proof the balls out of it though. So with 8GB of RAM and a Snapdragon 845, it performs like a Bugatti. So far, the OnePlus 6 is the fastest, smoothest experience I've ever had on a smartphone, period. Boop. I haven't spent much time with the cameras yet, but so far I'm pretty impressed. It seems to handle highlights and shadows really well. Colors look awesome with just the right amount of saturation, and images don't appear to look overprocessed. I still need to spend some more time with it, but yeah, so far I'm really liking what I'm seeing. Battery life has been fantastic for me so far too. No joke, this phone will last me a full day and a half. I'll throw it on the charger at around 3 or 4 p.m. the next day with about 15 to 20% left. And that's just with average usage like every other phone I review. Anyways, so far I'm really digging the OnePlus 6, and as hesitant as I am about saying this about any phone this early in the review, yeah, I'd recommend this phone right now to anyone, no problem. But that about does it for this one. If you have a OnePlus 6, drop me a comment and let me know how it's working out for you so far. And if you like the video, show me some love with that like button. And if you're new to my stuff, don't forget to hit that notification bell and subscribe for new videos every week. But thanks as always for watching, and I'll talk to you all in the next one. Cheers!